Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. Cows are really super curious creatures, and it turns out that they really love remote control cars. On the other hand, horses absolutely hate RC cars and they just want to step on them.
Pop! Där gick den. Hej och hå.
This guy made a watch that draws and erases the time on his wrist every single minute.
No way. No fucking no!
You know how in movies how every single fire sprinkler goes off when there's a fire? Well, that's actually not true. Every fire sprinkler in a building has their own individual thermostat that releases water when it reaches a certain temperature. Here's what an automatic mahjong table looks like.
I just want you to listen to me!
This person went into a factory that makes springs and coils and made it look like something from the opening of a TV show.
Go!
Here's how you mold burning hot glass. I went skiing yesterday for the first time in like 4 years, and it was super fun, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later!